What's going on, everyone? I am your host, DeFi Sean, and you are watching Crypto on Cause Investing, back with a crypto market update. And this past weekend in crypto has been absolutely wild, with tons of bullish information hitting the market, which we're going to go over some of that in this video. Now, I also released my podcast, Crypto Over Red Bull, where I go into a little bit more detail than I do on YouTube. So if you go ahead and subscribe, watch some of the videos, leave that 5-star review. It would be much appreciated. But hopping back on over to coinmarketcap.com. We're going to go ahead and look at what our blue chip cryptos are doing before we hop into that news. But before we get started, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the call channel link down below. All right, so let's start off by checking out our crypto market in those blue chip cryptos. We do have our market cap sitting a little bit below 3 trillion at 2.96 trillion. Our 24-hour volume at 166 billion. BTC dominance at 60%, ETH dominance at 9.2%, and our fear and greed sitting low considering all the news at 39%. Now, as far as our blue chips cryptos go, they actually have gone down since I've recorded my episode of Crypto Over Red Bull. So if you're watching that, everything's a tad bit higher, so we're starting to see a little bit of red. I don't know if it's people selling the news or what's going on, but it's definitely dipped a little bit, with Bitcoin at 87.6 thousand, Ethereum at 2.2 thousand, XRP hitting that number 3 spot at $2.50, BNB at 584, Solana at 151. Coming on down, we have ADA at 91 cents and Dogecoin at 21 cents. So we are seeing some red, but we definitely seen some huge price movement with some of the news that we're about to hit on right now. So starting off with obviously the top news, which is what got everything going. Trump names cryptocurrencies in strategic reserve, sending prices up. Now, everyone already knew, of course, there was going to be Bitcoin and there was going to be Ethereum. But on top of that, Trump names, of course, like I said, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano for strategic reserve. As you can guess, both XRP, Solana, and Cardano all had pretty good runs yesterday. Bitcoin and Ether rise more than 10% on the news. And then Trump has moved quickly to back crypto industry policies priorities. And like he stated, coming into the election, Trump is aiming to make US the crypto capital of the world. And as I went over in my podcast, that is no doubt going to make other countries chase the US to see who will be the top country when it comes to cryptocurrency. Continuing on with the news, we have Tether mints 1 billion USDT on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, according to Crypto Rover, Tether has minted 1 billion USDT on the Ethereum blockchain, which could influence liquidity in trading volumes in both USDT and ETH markets. This large minting event often signals increased demand or upcoming trading activities, potentially affecting ETH prices as traders anticipate higher transaction volumes and liquidity on the Ethereum network. Now, with this added liquidity, hopefully this will definitely help the altcoin season that we are hoping is coming and coming soon, because I know everyone in crypto is definitely looking forward to that. While it's amazing watching these blue chip cryptos run, I can't wait for that liquidity to really start making its way into all the altcoins. And the last piece of news we're going to touch on, which is a huge deal, China plans to unban Bitcoin and establish crypto reserves by 2025. According to Crypto Rover, China is set to unban Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies by 2025 and plans to create a strategic reserve of Bitcoin and Ethereum. This development could have significant implications for global cryptocurrency markets, as China participations may boost trading volumes and market stability. The announcement may influence traders to consider long-term positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum, anticipating increased demand for one of the world's largest economies. Now, let me ask you a question. Are they doing this because of the moves that Trump and the US are making? Do they not want to get left behind for a potential new financial sector that the US will hopefully recognize? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Next up, we're going to go ahead and talk about today's video sponsor, Doge Commander Amy, who is the administrator of Doge and basically Elon's right-hand man, or woman for this case. Now, a fearless leader, a no-nonsense approach, and a meme coin with razor sharp efficiently. Coming on down, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the website and the tokenomics. Also, as far as narrative goes, this is about the best you're going to get with Doge and Elon being in the news every single day. There's no buy or sell tax. Supply is 1 billion, 900 million circulating. We have 100 million going to ads and partnerships for that marketing and 100 million going to the team. Now you ask yourself, why Doge Commander? It's a meme coin coin with real world lore. Amy Gleason didn't just ask for the job, but she took it anyway. Now she's in charge and things are moving fast. We have no Elon drama, just efficiency. We have community power and we have built for the people, not for the corporate interests. Coming on down, let's go ahead and touch on that roadmap. We have build the army for phase 1 because of course any meme coin is only as strong as their army. We have market expansion like applying for CoinGecko and centralized exchange listings, and strategic collaboration with viral reach, which they are bringing in other big influencers. Phase 3, we have live Commander Amy news updates. Keep up with the latest development in chaos. We have surprise drops, secret partnership, and Doge takeovers. Phase 4, top secret, await further orders. Now, as far as this token goes, I have worked with this team in the past, but keep in mind, these low market cap gems are very high risk and very high reward. So always keep that in mind. Always invest what you're willing to lose. And remember, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion and presenting you with certain things. It's up to you to do your own research and decide if it's something that you're interested in getting involved in. So lastly, let's go ahead and check out those DeFi markets, especially with all that new USDT getting minted, hopefully giving that extra liquidity to the market. So the DeFi market is at a $114 billion market cap with $9.7 billion in trading volume. Usual suspects with Chainlink, HBAR, and AVAX rounding out the top 3. See if we have any big time gainers. Not really. Layer up 13% and keep up 13% with Bell, Venom, and LIS USD up basically 1%. So no big time movers. Let's go ahead and check out that meme market. We have our usual suspects, Doge, Shiba Inu, and Pepe rounding out the top 3 with that market cap at 56 billion. Trading volume actually really high at 11.39 billion, up almost 10%. See if we have any big time gainers. We have AIC up 26%. We've seen higher but very solid. Nero up 15% and Ban up 7%. So with all that being said, this was a very good crypto market update. Tons of bullish news. Also want to thank Doge Commander Amy for sponsoring today's video, and go ahead and check out my podcast Crypto Over Red Bull, where I go a little bit more into detail with those crypto market updates. But until next time, trade safe.